Million-dollar price tags, jaw-dropping designs, and stories worth their weight in gold. These are the 10 most expensive motorcycles in the world. Motorcycles have always been about freedom, speed, and adventure, but the bikes on this list take it to a whole new level. These aren't just motorcycles. They're works of art, engineering marvels, and ultimate status symbols. From handcrafted vintage legends to futuristic machines built with cutting-edge materials, every motorcycle here tells a story of exclusivity and craftsmanship. Some were owned by celebrities, others are one-of-a-kind creations, and a few hold records for being the rarest bikes ever built. These motorcycles don't just push the boundaries of design and technology, they redefine what it means to ride in luxury. So buckle up, or should we say saddle up, as we take you through the 10 most expensive motorcycles ever sold and the incredible stories behind them. Number 10. The 1939 BMW RS 255 Compressor. Kicking off our list is the 1939 BMW RS 255 Compressor, a bike that's as much a piece of racing history as it is a collector's dream. This pre-war German masterpiece was revolutionary for its time, featuring a supercharged engine that set speed records in the 1939 Isle of Man TT. With its sleek, Art Deco-inspired design and historical significance, the RS 255 isn't just a motorcycle. It's a time capsule from the golden age of racing. In 2013, one of these rare machines sold at auction for $480,000, making it one of the most coveted vintage bikes ever. Number 9. The 1924 AJS Model 18. At number 9 is the 1924 AJS Model 18, a British classic that stands out for its innovation and craftsmanship in the early days of motorcycling. Known for its reliable 350cc engine and beautifully crafted frame, the Model 18 became a favorite for riders seeking both performance and style in the 1920s. One of the most notable owners of an AJS Model 18 was Stanley Woods, one of the greatest motorcycle racers of all time. Woods piloted AJS bikes to victory in the Isle of Man TT races, cementing their legacy in racing history. Today, the rarity and vintage charm of the AJS Model 18 make it a prized collector's item, with one fetching over $600,000 at auction. Number 8. The 1936 Crocker Small Tank. The 1936 Crocker Small Tank is a symbol of American ingenuity and exclusivity. Built in Los Angeles, Crocker motorcycles were handmade in limited quantities, with each bike customized to the buyer's specifications. Known for their V-twin engines and sleek design, Crockers were often called the Duesenbergs of motorcycles. One of the most notable owners of a Crocker was Paul Bigsby, the inventor of the modern electric guitar vibrato system. Bigsby's engineering genius wasn't limited to music. He wrote his Crocker as a testament to American craftsmanship. In 2019, a pristine small tank model fetched $825,000 at auction. Number 7. The 1915 Cyclone Board Track Racer. The 1915 Cyclone board track racer is a bike that captures the daring spirit of early 20th century racing. With its bright yellow frame and minimalist design, the Cyclone was built for one purpose: speed. One notable Cyclone was owned by Joe Siffert, the Swiss Formula One driver and motorsport legend. Siffert, known for his daring on the track, saw the Cyclone as a piece of racing history that embodied the raw adrenaline of early motorsport. When one sold for $852,000 in 2015, it celebrated both the bike's innovation and its ties to fearless speed enthusiasts. Number 6, the 1951 Vincent Black Lightning. The 1951 Vincent Black Lightning isn't just a motorcycle, it's a legend. Known as the fastest production motorcycle of its era, the Black Lightning was a game changer in the world of motorcycling. Only 30 were ever built, making it one of the rarest and most sought-after bikes in history. One famous model was owned by Australian speed racer Jack Arrett, who set multiple records with the bike in the 1950s. More recently, celebrity chef Gordon Ramsay added a Vincent Black Lightning to his collection, blending his love for high-performance machines with his penchant for luxury. In 2018, Jack Arrett's record-setting Black Lightning sold for a staggering $929,000, making it the ultimate symbol of speed and exclusivity. Number 5, the 1934 Brough Superior SS80. The 1934 Brough Superior SS80 is often regarded as a motorcycle masterpiece. Known for its smooth ride and robust performance, the SS80 was a precursor to the iconic SS100 and cemented Brough Superior's reputation as the Rolls-Royce of motorcycles. One of the most famous SS80s was owned by George Bernard Shaw, the legendary playwright and Nobel Prize winner. More recently, Jay Leno, a noted motorcycle collector, purchased a Brough Superior SS80 for his collection, adding a modern celebrity connection to this timeless classic. These bikes regularly fetch over $1.1 million at auction. Number 4, the 1948 Vincent Black Shadow. The Vincent Black Shadow was the fastest production motorcycle of its time, capable of hitting 125 miles per hour. Its sleek, all-black design and powerful engine earned it the nickname, the Black Shadow of Death. The bike was admired by Phil Irving, the legendary Australian engineer who co-designed it. Irving's passion for precision engineering turned the Black Shadow into a machine that symbolized technical brilliance. A particularly well-preserved model sold for $1.2 million, proving its status as one of the most coveted motorcycles in history. Number 3, the 1937 Harley-Davidson EL Knucklehead. Few bikes have a legacy as iconic as the 1937 Harley-Davidson EL Knucklehead. This motorcycle introduced Harley's revolutionary overhead valve engine and became a symbol of American resilience during the Great Depression. Recently, the Knucklehead has drawn attention from collectors like Brad Pitt, who owns one of these legendary bikes. With recent sales exceeding $1.2 million, this bike remains an enduring symbol of Harley-Davidson's legacy. Number 2, the 1926 Brough Superior SS100 Alpine Grand Sports. At the second spot, this bike famously was dubbed the Rolls-Royce of motorcycles. Known for its unparalleled craftsmanship, speed, and luxury, the SS100 captured the imagination of adventurers and enthusiasts alike. One famous admirer of the Brough Superior SS100 was Basil Rathbone, the iconic actor best known for portraying Sherlock Holmes in classic films. Rathbone was a motorcycle enthusiast who valued the SS100's combination of performance and sophistication. For Rathbone, riding a Brough wasn't just transportation, it was an extension of his personality, blending elegance with a touch of daring flair. The Alpine Grand Sports was specifically designed for long-distance touring and challenging mountain roads, offering a rare blend of performance and elegance. With fewer than 100 made, it's no wonder one fetched over $1.5 million at auction. Owning a Brough Superior isn't just about the bike. It's about owning a piece of history and artistry that stands the test of time. Number 1. The 1929 Coventry-Eagle Flying 8. Taking the top spot, this motorcycle embodies the perfect marriage of speed, style, and exclusivity. Often referred to as the British Brough Superior, the Flying 8 is a symbol of engineering brilliance and timeless design. Its powerful JAP V-twin engine made it one of the fastest motorcycles of its time, capable of rivaling cars on the open road. This motorcycle has captured the hearts of enthusiasts for nearly a century, and one of its most notable admirers is British actor Ewan McGregor. A passionate motorcyclist and co-host of the adventure series Long Way Round, McGregor has often spoken about his deep appreciation for vintage bikes. The Flying 8 is a standout in his collection, blending his love for British craftsmanship and his passion for motorcycling history. Ewan's connection to the Flying 8 goes beyond ownership. It reflects his commitment to preserving and celebrating the legacy of classic motorcycles. His enthusiasm has helped shine a spotlight on rare gems like the Coventry-Eagle Flying 8, inspiring a new generation of riders and collectors. At auction, these bikes have fetched over $1.5 million, cementing their place as one of the most sought-after vintage motorcycles in the world. For collectors and enthusiasts alike, the Flying 8 isn't just a bike, it's a piece of history and the ultimate symbol of sophistication on two wheels. What an unforgettable journey! These 10 motorcycles aren't just the most expensive, they're the most extraordinary. Each one tells a story of innovation, rebellion, and the pursuit of perfection, from roaring racetracks to iconic collectors' garages. These bikes remind us that motorcycles can be so much more than machines. They're rolling pieces of history, symbols of freedom, and reflections of the people who dared to dream bigger. Whether it's the thrill of a record-breaking Black Lightning or the elegance of a Brough Superior, these rides ignite the spirit of adventure like nothing else. If you're as fascinated by these incredible machines as we are, saddle up. There's a world of untold motorcycle stories waiting just around the corner. Until then, keep your engines running, your heart racing, and your sights set on the horizon.